So welcome back to the next episode where here we're gonna explore the smart matching of your leads with the client wishes in the cards of the profile of your lead, which we call it where the EI magic begins. And let's go through it and let me show you how we work with the magic. Here we could see the first step, step new, let's call it, I don't know, I would personally rename it. Here we could, let's see that Ken's test lead, which came from, let's say from Facebook, or it doesn't matter anywhere he came from. We could set it up the client wishes over here as well. But what's more important is into a layout section. If we go through on it, we see the filling forms, which is the country, city, district range, and we could set up the client wishes over here as well. So let's say that now I started to use the filters. Let's say we choose Creek district, which is our favorite. We could set up a 75 layouts for our client, and we could also set up a budget range, which is really cool, I think. So we could, let's say it starts from 1 million, 2.5, 2.8 million. And then we see there's a 9 layouts. So we add those layouts into a basket. So I press those plus bars. Now it saves it up into my presentation section. So I go to my presentation section, and from here on, I could name the presentation. So I'll put it, for example, name of the presentation to Ken, and then I could press the button save as a PDF, and now boom, it generates the structure and we have the presentation is ready. It's super cool, convenient. We could also do same thing as the link, which is also cool, guys. And over here you could delete the layouts or clear the layouts, or even folder, duplicate, delete, and give a star tasks. So it's really cool, guys. Now, in order for me to make a presentation, I didn't even go into off-plan section, which is cool. This is our feature. Probably you could also leave a comments down as well. So guys, this is the presentation side into cart of the layout, and it's really cool. Thanks for watching it, and all the best of luck with your client.